So the reason I had a lot of pain, I think it had to do with having very weak upper body strength. And in my 20s, I started working as a registered nurse in a hospital. And, we do a lot of lifting and pulling and pushing. I started to have a lot of issues with my neck and shoulders. And so I got into yoga. That seemed to help with stretching and things. Then, about 11 years ago, I had my first child, and then the pregnancies, I think that loosened a lot of my joints even more. Then I left the hospital. I work now as a telehealth nurse, but I'm in front of a computer for 8 hours a day and, typing and mousing. So then I got tendonitis in my wrists. My back was better, but it's life. And so I've always had this chronic pain from my 20s when I started this work. And I was told by the doctor that, to get rid of the pain, I would have to start working, which isn't obviously an option. I work with a lot of nurses who end up having really bad neck injuries and shoulder injuries and also wrist injuries, and a lot of them do have surgery, and it's never the same, and I didn't want that to be an option. So I've always searched for something to help, like constantly just searching, and I felt like the yoga was helping, but it wasn't helping enough. When I found you guys, I saw that your videos are showing men that are muscular but at the same time very mobile. And I know that a lot of times those two things don't go together. From my experience, like people that are strong and muscular are not very mobile or flexible. So I thought, well, there's something there. And that's how I was bought, because I could tell that you guys know what you're doing. I could tell that you have the experience. And so when I started the program that was more specific to myself, then I started to see how strength training was helping with my pain. And I don't think anybody, even I went through physical therapy, I did acupuncture, I went to occupational therapy, and, nobody ever said, do strength training. And I never did. I was never really interested in it. And so I thought, well, I'm just going to do what these guys say. They seem like they know what they're doing. And I just did the phase 1 through 3. And that concept of strengthening the joint stabilizers, I think, was like, this is what I've been looking for the whole time, and I could feel myself standing up straighter. I could feel the pain decreasing. I could see myself getting stronger and also more mobile. And just, I think it's good for everyone, no matter what type of sport you do, to have this as a base.
And so what results have you noticed since you've joined the UMS?
I was getting to a point where I would, like, in the morning wake up and it was hard. My back would be hurting. It was very stiff. So I think the pain relief is the biggest. I would say it's like a 0 to 1 now.
What was your pain level before this?
Like maybe the most 5, like a 4 or 5, but it would just, depending on what I do. Like sometimes it would have a flare up, like maybe go to a 6, but it was just always there. And it almost was like, I was so used to it that if I didn't have pain, I would notice it. You know what I mean? And I feel like as I got older, like I'm going to be 43 next month, and I have 2 rambunctious boys. I felt like I became more stiff as I got older, and then getting in on the floor with them, or like even like bathing my dog in the bathtub, or carrying groceries, became harder. And so the results I think that I've had is strength, just with daily functioning. Like I can carry more grocery bags. I can pick up my 11-year-old, my oldest, just fine now, and just like hold him and hug him as long as I can, just getting down on the floor and doing things, taking care of household chores has become easier for me. So I feel like as a mom, it's important, and then just having hope of aging gracefully, I think. too. And then the fun part is doing stuff that I never thought I'd be able to do. Like I have hope now that I could maybe do a pull up or get close to splits, or that kind of thing is like more of the fun stuff that's the cherry on top. But I think the functionality and the decreased pain and also increased energy, because I think that being stronger has helped with things not being so hard. So I feel like I have more energy to get things done. Life is just easier.
What would you say to somebody that's considering joining but sitting on the fence?
I think if you're considering joining, obviously you won't know unless you try it. So I think just do it. And I think as long as you do what your coaches tell you to do, then you'll do fine. And I think it's great because you do a good job at being flexible with the time restrictions that people have and adjusting it to what we need in our lifestyle. And also the other thing that was nice is having someone plan out my workouts for me so that I didn't have to think about it, because that was pretty difficult and time consuming. I work and I have the kids and have a full life and a husband, and so just sitting down and sometimes after work thinking about what am I going to work out, or what kind of workout am I going to do, or the mental part of it is hard too. And so being able to just have a plan already that's designed specifically for me and just going in and knocking it out, it removes a huge barrier. And so I say just get it done and you'll love it.